you day to day. So today, first things first, I have to go and get my COVID test. I have a 10:30 appointment in Marylebone, I believe that's the name of it. And then I have a 2 o'clock walking tour Brixton that a girl that I met on the, tour of Sussex and Brighton told me about a couple days ago. So I signed up to it. It's free. I think it's called Free Guide by Foot or something like that. I will put it up here and leave a link down below. It was completely free. That's at 2 o'clock today. But I need to make it to my COVID test because I can't get back into the United States without one. So it should take about 35 minutes, something like that. So basically that's on the agenda for today. And then in the evening, I'm going to hang out with my cousin one last time before I have to leave tomorrow. So let's go. My legs and feet are thoroughly sore, so it's a bit annoying to walk, but I'm making it work.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the
Finally made it off the bus. Now I gotta walk about 11 minutes Thayer Street? How do you pronounce it?
eyes, we let go of disguise. And now
I'm here a bit early, but I basically found it. I think the test costs you like 40 pounds and some change, and you need to wear a mask inside for the test, so that's what I'm going to do now. I've never seen it this busy before, like ever. Test went pretty well. Just a COVID test, and I got my results within like an hour, so it didn't take that long. So now I have to upload them to the Verify app so that way I can check in, so that way I can board my flight tomorrow. But before I do that, I'm just walking around and exploring Camden Town because I've never seen it this like packed, because I'm usually not in here in the area when it's like this, so it's really cool. Would have loved to stay around the other area, but I just don't really think my legs have it in me, and plus I have to like do a 2.5-hour walking tour of like Brixton later, so I'm going to go at so much and then head back to my room to chill.
it's slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just
3AD set up camp here, set up Londinium as we know it. Before they left a number of Roman roads here. So this is who lived around here, who was known as Brixton, and he essentially made like a meeting place around here, and it was called Brixton Staines. So essentially in the Saxon times, whenever there was a marker point or a place that was seen as a marker, often like bricks would be piled on top of each other and they would be called stains. And a lot of people believe that Brixton has kind of originated from that. Over the years it's gone from Brixie Stain and sort of eventually evolved into what it is now, Brixton. Brixton was the first place to have a department store in the whole of the UK. Mail order kind of service whereby you could go and look around the building and you could actually find what you wanted and you could get whatever items were there delivered to you at your doorstep within 3 hours. Elephant to try and highlight issues around elephant poaching.
think we have done it all. She knows me in and out, love of a different kind, but we still have no control. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends. Hey.
Who's a hip-hop artist from out here, very much loved. Unfortunately, he died like during COVID.
Friends, but like lovers.
Hello everyone, as you can see I am back home, and the reason why I'm doing this is because when I was backing up my footage I realized that the last outro I did had no sound even though it was recording. Not sure how that happened. But anyways, what I was basically saying is I really hope that you enjoyed this London vlog series. I really had a great time. I had so much fun not only doing the different day trips out of London, but also walking within London and exploring all the cool places. I really liked my hostel, and I will be doing a separate review of that as well. And pretty soon, if you haven't seen it already, I have also done like a little tips and general things to know if you're traveling to London in 2022, so make sure you go check that out, or if I haven't posted it already, be on the lookout for that. So I will see you in the next adventure that I get up to. Bye guys.
On the weekend.